Attendance bots remind employees to log their attendance promptly based on the work schedule setup. When everybody logs their attendance status, you can use accurate and exact work hours to calculate for the utilization instead of using the standard 8 hours a day as the denominator. You can easily find the bots that are built in the Attendance Manager in the Bots drop-down. The task prompter beginning or end of day bot sends users a clock in or clock out reminder before the start or end of their shifts. You can modify the time for sending the notification by editing the bot's trigger criteria. Next would be the clock in or clock out reminder bot. Reminds users to clock in or out at the start or end of their shift. This bot sends a notification if it has been 5 minutes since the work schedule started or ended and the user has not clocked in or clocked out yet. The time exceeded alert break or lunch bot reminds users to clock back in when they forgot to log back in within the maximum time allowed for break for lunch. You can modify the maximum time by editing the bot's trigger criteria. The break reminder bot reminds users to always take their breaks in the morning and in the afternoon. The default setting of this bot is set to be triggered 2 hours after the shift start time and an interval of every 2 hours after. You can modify the interval by editing the bot's trigger criteria. Lastly is the Text Stats Reviewer bot. This bot is not included in the bots drop-down but is switched on by default for every new clients. The Text Stat Reviewer bot notifies users about their overlapping time entries, total work hours, utilization rate, open in progress tickets, and pending tasks. This bot helps minimize overlooked issues, low utilization, and tickets that have been open for an extended time. It also helps the admin to monitor and troubleshoot ticket issues quickly. The Text Stat Reviewer bot is triggered by the following events: when users change their status to either break or lunch or out, when users type the commands stats and QA, and when it's 10 minutes before the end of the user's shift. You can configure the notifications in the Utilization Stats block, where you can find the fields for customizing messages such as the utilization field, which is the ratio of the time entry hours to attendance hours, the time entry hours, which is the total time logged by the user in your PSA, the attendance hours, the user's attendance hours logged in the Attendance Manager, which does not include the time that the user is on break or lunch, the overlap time entry field, which is the logged tickets with overlapping times on the same day, and the ticket IDs, which are the ticket IDs of in-progress tickets from your PSA, where users can click on the link and access your PSA directly and change the ticket status. Team members can also log their attendance on Microsoft Teams or Slack instead of using the attendance dashboard buttons. Type the commands that you can use to log attendance in the MSP Bots chat or channel in your Teams or Slack. Type in to start your workday and press enter on your keyboard. You will receive a message confirming your status is set to in.